Hello everyone. Let me guide you tutorial on how to send money from BDO to Gcash. Using apps on your phone. Just follow the step-by-step procedures. Press the Play Store icon. On the top search bar, type BDO Online Banking. Press Install. Installation in progress. Done installing. Press Open. Opening BDO apps. Press Update later. Type your BDO user ID and password, then press Login. BDO apps displaying your account details. On below screen, press the icon Send Money. Select and press to another local bank. Select Proceed without a template, then press Continue. On the transaction type, press Choose one. Select Credit to Other Bank. Select and press Transfer Form. Choose and press your account. Type the amount that you want to send. Then select Destination Bank and press Choose one. Browse and select Gcash. On the destination account number, type the cell phone number of the receiver. Complete the details: last name, first name, middle name, mobile number, and purpose of transaction. Press Confirm. Displaying the details: the total amount plus service charge of 25 pesos per sending. Scroll, then press Continue. Money sent successful. Close the BDO app. The receiver will receive a text message from Gcash confirming the amount money received. To the receiver, check Gcash apps and see amount added. Thank you for watching. Please click like and subscribe for you to be updated for new videos like this. If you have request, please click comment.